Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Amazon affiliate country code not working. So let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is, there might be a lot of cases because of what that might have occurred. So firstly, just basic one, just reload your web page and it might work. If you're using an, let's say, mobile phones, just update your browser, update your app, or you can, what you can do is, or just go over your account like this. You can sign out and then again you can log in, so that might fix as well. Another is, just check your affiliate links if there is an error occurring or not. Another, what you can do is, you can just go to let's say over here and go to your accounts, and then all the way down you'll find something like help or Amazon assistant. So you can go over there and you can, let's say, contact them and ask for a help. You can type your problems over here and you can search for that particular problem. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.